Hi guys, this is TalkLittle. Today I'm demonstrating my new Android app called Awe. It's actually a home screen widget that shows Reddit pictures. So it requires Android 2.2 and above. It comes in three sizes: 4x4, 4x2, and 2x2. So I'm going to go ahead and add a 2x2 to my home screen. So the first thing you see is the configuration screen. You can pick a subreddit from a list of suggested subreddits, or you can type in your own. But for now, I'll pick, you can see they're all safe for work subreddits, and they all have plenty of pictures. Despite some of the names like space porn, earth porn, they're all safe for work, so don't worry. I will pick Awe for now. The refresh interval defaults at 1 hour. You can pick, the lowest is 30 minutes. And then you have options for frame colors: light, dark, and frameless. I'll pick light for now. The next option is called different frames, different pictures. That means is if you have multiple of these Awe widgets on your home screen, it's going to automatically make sure that there's no overlapping pictures. So for example, if I have two widgets both pointing to the Awe subreddit, it's going to avoid showing the first picture on both widgets. It'll automatically pick two different pictures. The next option is auto refresh on Wi-Fi only. So on mobile data, it won't actually update the picture every hour. You have to be on Wi-Fi. Finally, the last option is to allow not safe for work content. This button takes you to the App Store page if you want to give me ratings or whatever. And so I will save and add the widget to the home screen. This is the light theme. And oh, that's a nice dog, or two dogs. So you can see it's the widget light theme. If you click on it, you'll see the title and some controls. If you press left or right, it will change the picture. It does some prefetching so that the picture will load quickly. Unless you have Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi only setting, and you're not on Wi-Fi, then it won't do the prefetching. So you can see, if you expand the controls, you can share, save, configure the widget, and open the comments, which will launch the browser or a Reddit app that you have installed. Let's see, this button will scale the picture to fit inside the screen. By default, it will crop the picture so that it fills up the entire widget. So, as you can see, when you tap the widget, it removes the title and controls. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more of these widgets to demonstrate the different frames, different pictures option. One thing you notice, it remembers my last chosen subreddit as long as it was in the suggested subreddits list. For privacy reasons, it will not remember manually entered subreddits that are not in that list. So, okay, different frames, different pictures is chosen. I will save. And now, even though both widgets are pointing to the Awe subreddit, they'll automatically show different pictures. So I'm going to do that a couple more times. Why don't we go with a dark theme, so you can see what the dark frame looks like. The controls and the title also look a bit different. Whoops. And there's also a frameless style, if you like that. It's a bit hard to see the frames in the video because they're pretty thin. Alright. So finally, I guess one thing I like to do is, depending on my screen, if I'm using this on my tablet or whatever, I want to resize the widgets. That requires Android 3.1 and above, where pretty much all widgets are resizable on the Android versions. So depending on the picture, it'll look nicer, say if I resize the widget in different ways. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.